It's time to learn English with me, Miss Intan. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm fine. Okay. Now it's time is for us to pray together. To good. Finish. Okay. Who is not present today?
Nothing.
Okay. Okay. Now ready to learn. Let's sing to twinkle. 1, 2, 3.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. Now kita belajar vocabulary animals. Sekarang ikutin Miss ya.
Yes.
This is rabbit.
This is rabbit.
This is chicken.
This is chicken.
This is cat.
This is cat.
This is elephant.
This is elephant.
This is buttercup.
This is butterfly.
And this is tiger.
This is tiger.
Okay. This is
Elephant.
yeah. This is
Tiger.
This is
Butterfly.
this is
Rabbit.
okay. And this is chicken.
Chicken.
Okay. Good. Any question?
No.
Sekarang Ibu ada tugas untuk minggu depan, yaitu buat 10 vocabulary hewan. Okay, student. Before we go home, let's pray together. Begin. Finish. Thank you for your attention. See you next week, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.